Welcome to Be Wellness Wise. Its pungent aroma is enough to conjure images of cozy kitchens and savory dishes. A staple in cuisines worldwide, garlic's appeal is more than just culinary. This small bulb boasts a rich history of medicinal use, dating back thousands of years. From ancient civilizations to modern kitchens, garlic in its various forms continues to captivate our senses and contribute to our well-being. But when it comes to reaping garlic's health benefits, one question lingers. Is fresh garlic superior to its powdered counterpart? Garlic, whether fresh or powdered, originates from the same source, the Allium sativum plant. The difference lies in their processing. Fresh garlic, with its papery skin and distinct cloves, is simply the raw, unprocessed bulb. Garlic powder, on the other hand, undergoes a transformation. The bulbs are peeled, crushed, dehydrated, and finally ground into a fine powder. This process, while convenient, inevitably alters the nutritional composition of this culinary superstar.
Fresh garlic boasts a higher concentration of certain vitamins and minerals compared to garlic powder. This is largely attributed to the dehydration process that garlic powder undergoes, which can lead to some nutrient loss. However, both forms still offer valuable nutrients. Fresh garlic is a good source of manganese, vitamin B6, vitamin C, and selenium. Garlic powder, while slightly less potent, still provides these nutrients in a concentrated form. Beyond the basic vitamins and minerals, garlic's claim to health fame lies in its sulfur-containing compounds, particularly one called allicin. Allicin is responsible for garlic's distinctive pungent aroma and is believed to be the key driver behind many of its health benefits. Fresh garlic has the upper hand when it comes to allicin content, as we'll explore in the next section.
Allicin, the sulfur-containing compound that gives garlic its characteristic pungency, is a powerful antioxidant with potential health benefits. It's formed when allin, a substance naturally present in garlic, is converted by the enzyme allinase. This conversion process is triggered when garlic cloves are crushed or chopped, damaging the cell walls and bringing allin and allinase into contact. Fresh garlic, with its intact cell structure, allows for this enzymatic reaction to occur upon crushing or chopping, maximizing allicin production. Garlic powder, unfortunately, undergoes a different fate. The heat used in the dehydration process deactivates allinase, the enzyme crucial for allicin formation. While garlic powder retains some of garlic's inherent nutrients, its allicin content is significantly reduced compared to its fresh counterpart. This difference in allicin content is a key factor to consider when comparing the health benefits of fresh garlic versus garlic powder.
And Section 4, Maximizing Garlic Powder's Potential, the Hydration Hack. While fresh garlic might be the allicin champion, there's a way to enhance the benefits of garlic powder hydration. Rehydrating garlic powder before using it can help reactivate some of the dormant allinase, thereby boosting its allicin content. While it may not reach the same levels as fresh garlic, this simple technique can significantly improve the nutritional profile of garlic powder. To rehydrate garlic powder, simply combine equal parts garlic powder and water in a small bowl. Let the mixture sit for about 10 minutes to allow the powder to fully absorb the water. The result is a paste-like consistency that can be used in your favorite recipes. This hydration process helps awaken the dormant allinase, giving your garlic powder a nutritional boost.
Section 5, Garlic in the Kitchen, a culinary duet. In the culinary world, both fresh garlic and garlic powder have their place. Fresh garlic, with its robust flavor and higher allicin content, shines in dishes where its pungent aroma is desired. It's perfect for infusing oils, creating flavorful sauces, and adding depth to soups and stews. Crushing or chopping fresh garlic just before using it ensures maximum flavor and allicin release.
Garlic powder, on the other hand, offers convenience and a milder flavor profile. It's an excellent choice for seasoning rubs, marinades, and dips. Its fine texture incorporates easily into dishes without the need for chopping or mincing. And remember, rehydrating garlic powder can enhance its flavor and nutritional value.
Ultimately, the choice between fresh garlic and garlic powder comes down to personal preference, the desired flavor profile, and the specific dish being prepared. Both forms offer unique culinary advantages and contribute to a flavorful and potentially health-enhancing eating experience. Share this video with friends and family, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more culinary insights.